Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Facebook page very easily. Sometimes you create too much unnecessary pages in your Facebook and after that you want to delete it and you don't know how to delete those accounts. So let's get started. Just follow me and I'll tell you how to do. Just firstly open up the Facebook. In order to make sure you have to log in that page which you want to delete. So click on top right corner of option button and tap on the down arrow icon, and here you have to choose that page which you want to delete. Just keep in mind that I have already selected I want this page to be deleted, so just scroll down and click on settings. After tapping on settings, now you have multiple options about page. You have to tap on page settings. After tapping on page settings, now you have to just scroll down and find an option access and control. Here it is. Tap on this. Now tap on deactivation and deletion. After tapping on this, it will provide you two options. The above one is deactivate page, which is temporary deletion, and second one is delete page, which is permanently deletion of your account. You can select whatever option you want. I'm selecting second one and tap on continue. And here you have to provide any reason, specific reason. You can also provide this, it's optional. After tapping on this, tap on delete account. Here you have to put your password of your page. After tapping password, you have to just click on continue and your page will be automatically deleted. That's all for today. I hope this message finds you well. So do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.